This is Dr. B. Let's find 3/4 of 3. So here's how you do it. Instead of 3/4 of 3, let's just call it 3/4 times 3. Same thing, right? And instead of 3, what I like to do is take this 3 and call it 3 over 1. 3 divided by 1 is still 1, but now everything lines up. Because when we're dealing with fractions, multiplying the fractions here, we multiply the numerators, then the denominators. 3 times 3, that gives us 9. And 4 times 1, that gives us 4. So we end up with 9/4. 3/4 of 3, or 3/4 times 3, is 9/4. This is an improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So let's change this over to a mixed number. 4 goes into 9. 2 times 4 is 8. And we'd have 1 left over. We'll bring the 4 across. And 9/4, that's the same as 2 1/4. So 3/4 of 3 is 2 1/4. You could call it 2.25 if you wanted a decimal. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.